We spend our whole lives avoiding death. But Kabir, he says death is bliss. And he also says he just can't wait for it. Why? Sadhguru once said, our life is built around avoiding one thing that we all know is coming. But Kabir, he sees what we all don't. He is not just talking about physical death, he is pointing at something far deeper. जिस मरने थे जग डरे सो मेरे आनंद कब मरी हूँ कब देखी हूँ पूरन परमानंद. That which the whole world fears, death, brings me joy. I long for that moment when I will be able to see the divine, when I will experience the complete bliss. Kabir is not celebrating the end of life. He is craving for the end of illusion, the death of false I, the ego, the attachment to time, the illusion of control. We all are scared to lose this illusion. But Kabir sees that only when it dies do we see clearly. My own mother once told me to just close my eyes to what's wrong. Ignore karma, ignore truth. But the comfort in ignorance is still a prison. And I knew in that moment that I don't want to walk this path. I want to transform, I want to evolve, I want to change. And this transformation takes courage. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna tells Arjun, if you abandon your dharma out of fear, you will fall into greater pain. Kabir is saying the same. Face your internal battle. Let the old self die, because only then can the divine vision be born. कब मरी हूँ कब देखी हूँ पूरन परमानंद. Kabir says, when will I die so I can finally see? Kabir is not craving the end of breath. He is craving for the birth of truth. Our eyes are fogged by Maya, and the divine vision, it comes only when this illusion dies. What he is asking is, when will I stop being afraid to become who I really am? When will I let the ego go? When will I surrender to the divine? Because the moment I do, I will be able to see. I will be able to see the divine. And that is Purna Paramananda, the complete, unshakable bliss. Are you still afraid of dying? Or are you ready to live beyond fear? If this made you pause, reflect, and breathe a little deeper, then you're already on the path, and Kabir is walking with you.